It's the last day of smoothie, last day of smoothie. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hi guys, it's Felicia. So I thought I'd kick off this New Year's with a healthy kick.
Yay!
By the way, this is Rob.
Hi, I'm Rob.
I had to pull another coffee lover in here with me. Do you know what we're doing today?
I think something about ruining my week.
We're going to go off not just coffee, but we can't have caffeine, and we're going to substitute all that with healthy smoothies.
Why me?
We thrive off caffeine. We thrive off coffee. How many cups a day do you have?
Like 6.
Damn!
Sometimes I'm making them, sometimes I'm buying them.
What type of coffee?
I just get regular drip coffees a lot, just because they're cheap.
Australians, we take our coffee seriously. We don't
Sure.
have drip coffee.
Really? Not at all?
Yeah. I have like 3, 1 in the morning, and then the crash in the afternoon,
Sure.
and then 1 at night, because it doesn't affect me anymore. So that's about, easily $70 a week on coffee. All right, so quick pros and cons about our beloved beverage of choice. Pros: coffee makes you more awake and alert because it increases the levels of neurotransmitters in the brain like dopamine, serotonin, which improves your mood and helps burn calories.
I buy it.
A simple cup of black coffee has around 5 to 16 calories, depending if there's sugar. When you add milk or cream or even flavored syrups and make it into a cappuccino, a latte, or even mocha, calories can go up from 100 to 600 per cup.
Holy it's a Starbucks nation.
Yeah, like whipped cream.
Wait, do you actually do that in Australia? The whipped cream when you say it?
Yeah, whipped.
Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. You're saying it weird. Why are you putting so much emphasis on the H? What are you talking about? I'm just saying it. Cool Whip.
Cons? Apparently, there's like a lot of articles written about it. Coffee is a diuretic.
Yes, it
makes you
is.
So that obviously makes you really dehydrated, and in turn, your skin can become dehydrated as well.
Yes, it can.
It's also claimed that it blocks the absorption of iron, which leads to nutritional deficiencies.
Which means when Felicia punches in the arm, I'm gonna get a bruise. Oh my gosh, you actually just hit my nose.
And they say for every cup of coffee, you should offset it with about 1 to 3 cups of water. I'm always like parched.
Yeah, same here.
Eventually, your body can build a tolerance to the caffeine effects, and so they won't work as well. And
Yeah.
you're starting to drink coffee for no reason, really.
That's basically my life.
I know. So what do you think is going to be the biggest challenge?
Not drinking coffee.
I get migraines, so this week could be
Oh man,
hell
this is
on
gonna
earth.
be hard for you.
All right, let's start the week.
Am I supposed to do that too? Is that what's going on? Well, it's day 1, no coffee.
It is 12 o'clock. I literally have a pounding migraine and
I've been trying to figure out what to put in its place. I know we're supposed to be doing smoothies, but smoothies aren't always readily available. I was definitely tired, feeling like I wanted coffee, but it wasn't really that bad yet. Hot water it is for me, I guess.
I'm drinking water a lot more.
I was drinking hot water. Life hit an all-time low. You didn't give me a smoothie until 4, and I had no idea what I was doing. It is afternoon. I haven't had a smoothie yet. So I kind of the whole day, I kind of kept sinking in my desk like this.
Smoothie time! So today I am the smoothie maker.
Man, a week of this.
Okay, so I guess we start with some baby spinach. That was the first time I attempted to make an actual smoothie. How much kale do you normally put in? Did not know the ratio, proportions, how much vegetable to fruit. Is this too much? Pineapple to make it sweet. All right, so put some orange juice in there, blend it up. So actually blended it.
It's a word.
Oh yeah, baby. It's green. Every time I move too fast, my head really hurts. It's good things are worth the wait.
Yeah, maybe not that long.
Bing.
It's kind of chewable.
The first day really was so rough. It was so freaking rough.
I see someone's coffee and I want it so badly. Dying.
So Luba just brought to my attention that instead of paying $9 for a smoothie, you could just get baby food smoothies, which only cost $2. She gives me 2 of them. One of them is all fruit. I tried that one. I was like, great. It's a little thick and kind of dry a little bit, but it was like,
But is
good.
it all artificial sugars,
No,
coloring?
it's literally just nothing like that in there. It just says fruit in there, which is like awesome, right? And that's what you want.
So it's 9:47. I probably would have already consumed a coffee, but obviously, challenge times.
So I'm about to drink a baby food smoothie. That's what I'm gonna do. Bottoms up. It's actually pretty good. It's thicker than I thought it would be.
It's not sweet. There's a lot of kale in here. It's like a salad, a mashed up salad, but it's healthy.
Tastes like organic bananas, peaches, and mangoes, though. Actually, were a couple of times when I looked over at Felicia at her desk, and she was working like this.
I realized today after waking up was just like really sluggish. Couldn't do like work.
Couldn't even finish an email without like going, help.
Yeah.
Was kind of angry.
Okay, so an update here. I just tried this apple and broccoli organic baby food smoothie. It was like broccoli cheddar soup without the cheddar. When I tried it, I was like, oh, it's kind of more apple-y. And then the aftertaste, like, full came on. Just was like this nasty broccoli. And then my burp smelled like broccoli for like 2 hours after. It was terrible.
So it's about 5:30, second smoothie of the day, and the reason I look different is because I was filming, so it's not another day, don't worry. And so this time, basically the same thing.
And then there was this like harsh kind of broccoli aftertaste. So this one's a little bit weird.
Were they better than my smoothies?
No.
Oh,
I
okay.
still would have rather had yours, honestly. Yeah.
Let's try. Okay, so I'm just at my desk, staring at my ungrinded coffee. And I think I'll have to resort to just smelling it. So glorious. So close, but so far. I will be back with you, my friend.
So my day 2 was just going further down.
Meanwhile, I have this hunk of poop. This versus this. Which one would you choose, huh? This one!
Was just I became suicidal.
Anyway. Deliciosa. Another day, another smoothie. Bananas, kale, spinach, some lemon, pineapple. It looks pretty good. Ding, 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 honey.
I just got done with the second smoothie. I'm still kind of getting hungry. Coffee was good at cutting hunger.
Let's try it. Oh my god, that's delicious. Cheers.
And like, it's kind of nice taste in your mouth. Like fresh vegetables in your stomach. I mean, coffee gives you bad breath, right? It's good, clean energy. Yeah.
I had to start like physically going outside to like get some life into me. So stepped outside the office for a little because I am literally dying. Breathe some fresh air into the lungs for this lack of caffeine. Maybe some of this. I don't know, dude. This like whole natural energy instead of caffeine is not working for me. You know how they say smoothies and vegetables and fruits will improve your complexion, it'll make you like feel more energetic? None of that whatsoever, but I did see it in my poops that it was a little bit more green. But one thing that I have noticed is that my poops they have a green tinge. Oh my god. Because of all the kale and the spinach that I'm having.
I was trying to stay away from the smell part, but I definitely noticed that it was like green.
I was like, that's kale there.
It was like green baby pate.
Ew.
Thumbs up to see Felicia's poop. With that said,
I was starting to realize because of the lack of energy from the caffeine, I started to substitute that with like sugary foods.
This is what happens without coffee.
And that was kind of terrible. I was a little bit
Dangerous.
scared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great way to gain weight.
Yeah.
Want to put on weight? Try smoothies for a week. I've lost track of the days. I think this is day 4 of no coffee.
Okay, so we're in Trader Joe's now. Gonna add some Greek yogurt, some coconut water, and some mixed berries this time because I'm over the green juice.
I spent for that week, $50.
That is a lot.
Just on vegetables.
Okay, so we're staring at the yogurt section.
It's the cheese section.
Oh. What if I accidentally bought cottage cheese to put into the smoothie? Okay.
I'm not doing well. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't think I'm as tired as Felicia is.
Okay. Ding!
I don't necessarily feel an extreme benefit from this, to be honest. Maybe my breath smells a little better.
Boom, boom, boom.
The beginning was green smoothies because green smoothies are I don't know. It's what the cool kids do, I guess.
I wish that I could be like the cool kid.
Okay, back in the kitchen now. So, gonna make smoothies. By the way, this is expensive. This little thing, the size of 3/4 of my head, was $3.50. What is that? That's the price of a coffee, I tells ya. Ooh, wow, these strawberries are huge. This kind of just looks more like a salad now. The funny thing is I found it's actually much harder to get that purpley tint of a smoothie that you kind of envision it to look like.
This is our beautiful berry smoothie right now. And, wait, is it on? Yeah. Wait, why is it not working? So I'm literally crouching down on the floor. Bloop.
When I made it, even though I added a bunch of berries and coconut water and
tan.
it was poop color. It's an odd purpley green color, not the best. Tastes like straight up health. The worse it looked, the better it tastes. It grows on you. Until you got to the seeds at the bottom.
Yeah, those got stuck in my teeth for
Yeah, same.
2 hours.
I think
No
I
one
had
told
them
me.
stuck in the...
Yeah, it was this tooth and that tooth. I'm walking to work right now.
Today, my friends, is a good day. You know why? Because it's the last day of smoothie.
Really want a coffee. I have to say,
Last day of smoothie.
probably the worst thing about these smoothies is that they're not really readily available.
I've been waiting for this day since we started.
I was so tired of making the smoothies or waiting for a smoothie. Coffee you can just go and get.
But yeah, the last one.
So I just can't get one whenever I want unless I want to spend $9. So yeah, I want coffee right now.
So for some reason, this smoothie looks like absolute crap.
It was oxidized, dead vegetable color. It
Yeah.
was so bad.
Yeah, when I walked over to my desk and I saw that there, I was like, ugh.
And then it separated into, it was
was
gunk on the top and water at the bottom.
I
Even
had to
though
go in with a spoon and I was like, 'cause I didn't want to drink. It looks so weird.
It separated. What?
But the nice thing is you were still yeah, it tastes good.
But it actually tastes better than most. Last day of smoothie! Yay!
So on the very last day, that was probably the highlight of my life, not just for the week. It was reborn again, took the biggest sip of mankind on day 6.
So you had coffee after all
Yeah.
the smoothies?
It was just the greatest feeling. The greatest feeling of all time.
So for me, I remember, I didn't have coffee that whole day, and then I woke up the next morning and I was like, oh my gosh, I can have coffee now. So I go and I make myself coffee, and then by my 3rd that day, because I usually drink 6 cups a day, I was like, yeah! I felt it was I haven't felt that from coffee in a long time.
Yeah.
I wanted to go not
Hulk smash!
It was I just wanted to go into the break room or something and do some push-ups and like flip a table or something. It was awesome. And then I was like, that's why I drink coffee, yeah.
It would be an interesting way to see how the body reacts, which is why like I kind of wanted
Why
to
you
test
came up
it
with
out.
that dumb idea?
But also like how you would react differently to how my body would like process it
Yeah.
differently, because yeah, it was just like a lot of struggle.
My pain was basically just me being a baby about being hungry, but yours was like, I had migraines.
Anyway, so that was the challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. Let us know if there's anything else that you want to see. It can be, you know, anything. It can be food related. It can be exercise related. It can be makeup related, whatever it is. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and press the like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.